Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building with LangGraph. Designing robust and autonomous AI systems. What is AI? At its core, AI is about teaching computers to think and solve problems, much like humans do. For us, as developers, this means building amazing new applications that can automate tasks, understand language, and make intelligent decisions. But how do we build AI that can handle complex, multi-step tasks, not just answer a single question? We need a special tool to orchestrate these smart systems. And that's exactly where LangGraph comes into play. Imagine you ask a chef to make dinner. A simple AI, given a single instruction, a prompt, might just give you one recipe. But what if you need a multi-course meal? Adapting to the ingredients you have on hand, and handling unexpected dietary restrictions or guests. A single, one-off instruction isn't enough. AI needs to do more than just one step. It needs to plan, react, make decisions, and complete complex, evolving tasks. This is where the limitations of simple AI become clear. LangGraph is like giving your AI its own project manager. Instead of just giving one big instruction, LangGraph lets you break down a complex task into smaller, manageable steps. More importantly, it helps you define how your AI should move between these steps, make decisions along the way, and even revisit previous steps if needed. It's about enabling your AI to think through a process, making it more capable, reliable, and strategic. Think of LangGraph like drawing a sophisticated flowchart for your AI. Each node in this flowchart is a specific action or decision your AI can make. For example, research topic, draft email, check facts, or ask for clarification. The edges are the arrows connecting these nodes, showing the path the AI should take. For instance, after researching, then draft the email. It's all about defining the sequence of operations and potential pathways. How does your AI remember what it's done? What information it has gathered? Or what's important for the next step? That's the state. It's like a persistent notepad or a shared memory space that the AI uses to keep track of information as it moves from one node to another. The graph itself is the complete blueprint you design, showing all the nodes, edges, and how the AI will use its memory, state, to navigate the entire process, ensuring continuity and context throughout the task. This is where AI gets truly smart and autonomous. LangGraph allows your AI to make dynamic decisions based on the current state. Its memory. For example, if the drafted email isn't good enough, go back to the research topic node and gather more information. It can even repeat steps, loops, until a condition is met. This conditional logic means your AI can adapt, learn, and iterate on its own, much like a smart GPS that reroutes itself if there's traffic ahead, making it truly self-directed. For us, as developers, LangGraph is a powerful tool because it allows us to build AI systems that are 1. Robust. They can handle complex, multi-step tasks and adapt to unexpected situations without failing. 2. Reliable. You can clearly see and trace the AI's steps, making it much easier to debug and improve. 3. Autonomous. They can perform sophisticated tasks with minimal human intervention, making them incredibly efficient. It's about moving from simple AI tools to crafting sophisticated, intelligent, and self-managing applications. You now have a foundational understanding of LangGraph and its power to design AI that isn't just smart, but also strategic, resilient, and autonomous. This opens up a world of possibilities for building applications that can truly think through problems, manage complex workflows, and deliver consistent, intelligent results. Get ready to dive in and start building your own robust and autonomous AI systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.